Looking at 2.3 numbers, last two digits, we're going to be working through the solution, and given an integer greater than 9, print its last two digits. So regardless of what it is, it's an integer, it's greater than 9, so it has two digits. What are the last two digits? Now, we already know from previous exercises how to get the last digits. If we divide by 10 and get the remainder, we get the 4. But if we divide by 100 and get the remainder, if we divide by 100, what do we get? Move the decimal point 2 spaces and we drop whatever's behind the decimal for integer division, right? But if I want the remainder, I use the modulus symbol. So essentially what I want to do is I want to take an input. It's going to be an integer, so I'm going to wrap this up with an int function, which basically turns everything here into an integer. Or you can just get an integer from the user if you want. You don't have to think about it in exactly what it does. Just get an integer from the user, and let's call it something like number. Some of you might keep it as a. So last two, I need a place to store last two. So I use my assignment operator, equal sign, but I need to store it on the left side. So last, we'll call it last 2 is equal to number modulus 100. And then that's it. We print it. Print last 2. And when I run my script, I run it, give it a second to load. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter. And it's the last two digits when I run my tests. Run the tests, and you see that they should pass, and they do. They pass, absolutely. Okay, that's all there is to 2.3.